on, fellas? Welcome back to another video. I have been slacking on the YouTube content. Sorry. I don't know. I lost interest in all the cars I have. I'm not gonna lie. And sadly enough, I thought about selling the Mamalona. But today we're gonna be updating the Starlights on the OBS. Instead of using the controller, we are going to be using the actual light switch. So when I use the lights or turn the lights on, the Starlights turn on, because that's what I want to do. It just better, cleaner, simple, and for some reason kind of more modern, if that makes any sense. So let's get started. To get this done, I have to remove this plastic trim right here, which I'm about to do. I need to disconnect the port from the cigarette lighter or whatever that is, and chop up the wires, and I'm gonna be hooking it up to the light switch. I did this to my cousin's truck and they did turn on when I turned the lights on, which is a lot better. I was supposed to be doing this a long time ago, but like I said, I'm not gonna lie, I did lose interest in the truck, and it's sad to hear that, but I am probably going to keep it. I don't want to sell this thing. I really still want to do the engine swap, but I am holding back on that because I did sell the Suburban Donor, because I had a homie that needed a car and he said any car, so I had to give that away. But hey, he needed it more than me, so. But I will do a engine swap on this. Just wait. Just maybe a couple of months, couple of years. I gotta see what I have to do with the S14 as well. I can't find the issue of the bogging out. If you want to do this to your OBS, where it turns on with the lights, basically the red you put on the brown wire on this little circuit, and then the black one will go on the black. So. What the fuck did I even say? Alright, so I got it, I plugged it in, taped it. I'm gonna put this all back now. Alright, fellas, look at this. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. You guys should definitely do this in your OBS or any other car, because having to turn on the Starlights with a whole different control besides your light switch, it makes the car look tacky. And I was a fan of the Starlights in the truck, but now that I kind of matured a bit more, you could say, I feel like it's tacky on the truck. Like on my S14, when I first got it, I'm like, oh, I should put Starlights in it. But then I'm like, this car is way too clean to do something like that. And this truck is not as clean as the S14, but it's going to be. So yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, you are able to enter a giveaway I'm gonna be doing for 500 subscribers. Only real ones are gonna enter. Probably people that didn't make it this far. My views have dramatically dropped, so so you have a higher chance to actually enter and win this giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away a 550-piece Starlight kit, the same exact one I have on this truck, just because I've been having the Starlights on for probably over a year now and they have not failed me. I did see some reviews on other ones because I did want to give you guys the better version of mine, which is the sparkle effect. If you guys don't know what the sparkle effect is, I'll just pop up a video, and this is just mine. It doesn't sparkle, there's no shooting stars. It's kind of basic, the most basic you could get, but it's honestly the one I trust the most. So I'm gonna be giving away the same exact one I have. The way to enter this giveaway is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, screenshot all of those things and send them into my DM, into this Instagram DM, and that's how you enter. I'm gonna give this probably 2 weeks to end, So it's not gonna be rigged. I'm gonna be writing everyone that sends me the screenshots of you guys following on Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So literally just screenshot, send me all those screenshots, and I will just be like, you're in. Or just double, just like your message or react to it. Because I don't really be replying to people, not gonna lie. But if you get a reaction, that means you're in. So good luck to everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's like a 2-minute video, but it is what it is. That's how you get the chance to win this 550-piece Starlight kit. If you live around me, near me, Portland, Oregon, Vancouver, Washington, I will have a option to deliver it to you by hand, or if you live fucking far as fuck, I will ship it to you. No cost. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.